Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on using Remini Photo Enhancer to transform your old photos. With this powerful tool, you can bring your nostalgic memories back to life. So let's get started. First, download and install the Remini Photo Enhancer app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once it's installed, open the app and tap on the Enhance button. Next, select the old photo you want to enhance from your gallery. Remini Photo Enhancer will automatically analyze the image and apply advanced algorithms to bring out the hidden details and restore its original quality. After the enhancement process is complete, you can compare the before and after by swiping left and right on the screen. It's truly amazing to see the incredible difference. Now, let's take your photo enhancement to the next level. Tap on the Effects button to access a range of creative filters. Try experimenting with different filters to add a unique touch to your photos. If you're not satisfied with the automatic enhancement results, don't worry. Remini Photo Enhancer allows you to manually adjust the brightness, contrast, and sharpness of your photos in the Adjustment tab. Once you're happy with the final result, tap on the Save button to save the enhanced photo to your gallery. You can also share it directly on social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook to impress your friends and family. And that's it. With Remini Photo Enhancer, you can effortlessly transform your old photos into vivid and stunning memories. Don't let your precious moments fade away, enhance them today. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. We'll see you next time.